Gina with WTI. These loafers are absolutely hands-free slip-in, and that is my husband's favorite thing about them. We got the size 10.5 in black from UPIShi. My husband does wear a size 10.5, and he says these are true to size. As soon as he put them on for the very first time, he was so impressed with how comfortable they are and how amazing the arch support is. Now, my husband generally does put orthotics in shoes, which, by the way, you can remove the insoles and put orthotics in. But actually, my husband didn't even do that on these because the support was so good. These shoes have been great for my husband when he just wants to go outside, grab something from the garage. We get a lot of rain and mud and frost in our area, and these have weathered it all really well. Plus, the soles on them are extremely no slip. But they also look good with business attire. He recently wore them to the symphony, and they looked amazing with his black suit. UPIShi has lots of different sizes and colors to choose from with this style of shoe. Although my husband's pretty picky about shoes, he recommends these, and that's our point of view.